we tell you JiPOS is occupying. It is. It's occupying Mount Kenya, it's occupying Rift Valley, it's occupying everywhere.
Correct. And that is why it's on a Friday morning, 5th of December. I told you we are in the journey of closing the year, and we are closing it in a big way, right here in Nakuru. This is a Hotel Nax Palm. Yes, it is right in Nakuru. Yeah. And I can see there's an anchor tenant here, that is Maguna's supermarket. Yeah, so just right in front of us. So we just landed here, and we are about to meet the stakeholders so that we can get the job done within the day. Keep it JiPOS always.
Yeah, today we are here in Nakuru City, and we are in this hotel here called Hotel Nax Palm. And we are glad these guys have just joined the JiPOS tribe. So what we are doing here today, of course, is implementing the JiPOS ERP system. These guys are about to start the operations, and yes, they need to get everything right from the onset. That is why we are here to implement JiPOS system, to be able to help them track their inventories, track their finances, track their sales, and name it, everything pertaining to hotel operations. JiPOS has it. That's why we are here, and we're doing the job. Next time we might be in your town, we might be in your village, we might be in your city. Yeah, so looking for a hotel management system, we got you. And JiPOS has everything that you need. What I like most about this place is the space. They have a lot of space, especially on these walkways. Yeah, and it goes up to the 3rd floor. Yeah, so that wing, this wing you're seeing here is basically, there are some rooms on the 3rd floor, and then the first and second are for conferences, and this side is for the rooms. The rooms are a bit spacious, yeah, well designed. Yes, and when you're around this place next week or next year 2026, feel most welcome. Visit these people, enjoy their sweet meals here and affordable accommodation rates, as well as their spacious rooms. Yeah, parking space quite galore. And then there is just Maguna's down here. Yeah, Maguna's is just down here. You can see there. Maguna's is just down here. Yeah, so that is basically it for now.
Everything is going on well, and we're just taking some short break before we resume to close this before end of business or close of day. Yes, before close of day. Before close of day. So yeah, we just done some rugged setup here for training purposes. This is still a construction site. Works are still going on here. And you can see even the other room, all the cables are still just sagging and hanging around. So we are doing some training here so that these people can know what the system can do. And that is okay. We'll be leaving back to Nairobi. Yeah, so we'll leave everything set up on the devices and the configurations so that even if we leave them in this state, they'll just plug the computers and devices and printers and move forward. It will be just a plug and play, that is what I mean.
Yeah, as you mentioned, these guys are still doing the final touches. Yeah, preparation still underway for the grand launch of the hotel. Yeah, so even the rooms, they are still under cleaning. But basically, this is how this place looks like. Quite a modest, fantabulous place. And that's basically it. This is just a sample room. This is just a sample room. Quite spacious, by the way. Yeah, they're just still finalizing. This should be ready today, according to what we have been told. And yeah, so get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. The rooms are loading. Yeah, Nax Vegas is getting ready for receiving its own. Yep. Yeah, these people are finalizing their setup. This is a new establishment and they are ready to go live tomorrow. Yeah, so it is going on, it is real. JiPOS implementation is going on here, and we are so happy to welcome Hotel POS in the JiPOS tribe, the team that empowers hospitality in Kenya. And of course, we are part of the team that empowers now the operations so that they get everything right, all the way from the time they're starting the operations, of course, going forward with their business. So we are here and we are going to implement this successfully as always. Yeah, so keep it here, keep it JiPOS. If you are looking for a system, definitely you know where to go.
Hello guys, we are doing so well. And this is Hotel POS right in Nakuru. Just finalizing this. It's a bit cold because it rained, but we're doing so well. JiPOS today in Nakuru. I don't have to mention more, but just keep it JiPOS. JiPOS for your business, just transforming business operations. And what we have here is still a construction site, and this is a full-fledged hotel with about 30-something rooms, with the restaurant, banquet options, the conferencing things, and of course, what do I have to say? Just yeah, I think that's it. There's nothing much. It's just a full-fledged hotel with all the facilities that someone might require, except for the swimming pool, of course. And of course, again, something that is lacking, because this is a town or a town-based hotel. You will not find maybe a lawn or something like a field for other outdoor events, but it is a full-fledged hotel, and we are happy that JiPOS is helping, or going to help rather, in streamlining the operations of this business. So keep it JiPOS today, and as we end this year, we wish you a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year.
The other day we were in Nanyuki. Yes. Today we are here. We are going to Narok, Ambosel. Those are lined up. Already subscribed. So if you're looking for a system, of course a working system, you know where to get it. JiPOS.
That is the badge.
Yes.